How to fix Destiny 2 Calabrese error code. 1. Check and troubleshoot your internet. Common tips include, using an Ethernet cable. Power cycling your router or modem. 2. Check Destiny 2 server status. 3. Install any Destiny 2 patch or updates. 4. For antivirus users, ensure Destiny 2 is whitelisted. Like this. 5. Uninstall and install Destiny 2 again. 6. For more info, read Destiny 2 Network Troubleshooting Guide at https://help.bungie.net/hc/n-a/article/360049496531.